Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping or lagging in Multiversus. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press on the gear icon, settings, graphics, and make sure to use a graphics on low and look if the problem persists or not. As you can see here, all my graphics is basically low. And if it's not the case, if it's not working, then quit the game. If you're using PC, then next step what you need to do here is to right click on Multiversus properties, then install files and verify integrity of the game files and wait for a couple of seconds. And the next step what you need to do here is to press browse, copy the path of the Multiversus folder, then go to virus and threat protection. Then on virus and threat protection, go to virus and threat protection, manage settings, scroll down, exclusions, add or remove exclusion. And then here you need to add that particular folder here. You just need to paste the folder and select here, right? And then another thing that you need to do here is to open up Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, and then look for Multiversus. If you cannot see Multiversus here, I just saw it, you need to add it manually, right? So Multiversus here, for me is added, but if you don't see on this list, allow another app on this browse, then also copy the same path here and add exe file, right? For me, I already added, so I don't need to do that anymore, right? And the next step what you need to do here is to also maybe limit some devices on Task Manager, on devices apps, if you're playing that particular game. So for example, if we go on performance, here press on resource monitor, here you will see all the apps that uses your network abilities, right? So if you know, for example, I don't need Discord to use that when I play the game, I can end processes here. And another step, what I suggest you to do here is to first open up browser, go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you have good internet connection, you're good to go. And if you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And if you have bad internet speed, you need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. And then here you need to write IP config/flush DNS. And another command is nesh winsock reset, right? And then open up settings, then go to network and internet, advanced network settings, then go to network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. Next step, you can change your DNS server addresses. You need to find your internet connection. For me, it's this one. Press on the thing here. Then you need to go to more adapter options. Then select Internet Protocol version 4. And then use the following DNS server addresses and write 8.8.8.8. And on alternate DNS server, you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart the computer, and look if the problem persists or not. And these methods should fix your lag problem, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.